Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to lock apps on the Redmi A5. Now to do that, just open the Play Store app on your smartphone and in the search bar just search App Lock. From here just scroll down and download this app on your smartphone. And once the app is fully downloaded, just tap on Open. From here, if you tap on 6-digit PIN, you can select the type of password you want to set. You can select between a 4-digit PIN, a 6-digit PIN, or a pattern. I will select the pattern. Now from here, just draw your pattern. Now once you have drawn your pattern, just tap on Create. From here, just draw your pattern one more time to confirm your pattern. Now once you have confirmed your pattern, just tap on Save. From here, just tap on Permit and tap on OK. From here, just tap on App Lock Pro. Now just enable this toggle on the screen. From here, just tap on Permit and enable this toggle on the screen. Now just tap on OK. From here, just scroll down and tap on Permit. Now just tap on Allow. Now from here, as you can see, these are all the apps on your smartphone. Now to lock these apps, just tap on the lock icon in front of each app. Just like that. Now if you tap on Locked, you will find all the apps which you have locked. Just like that. Now if you go to your home screen and open the apps which you have enabled App Lock on, it will ask you to enter the password. Just like that. And this is how you can lock apps on the Redmi A5. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.